Thomas's baking mess. One day at the superstition of the island of Sodor, known as my room, Thomas, the number one blue tank engine, was about to make his delivery. Thomas! Yes, Thomas? Never mind. Percy is baking cookies. Exciting. Where is he? All the way over there. I'll deliver them. I'm number one, and I'll get the job done. That's the spirit, my boy. First, let's deliver him the butter. Go! Okay, that was weird. All right, Thomas, go! Thomas went up the cliff. Thomas went up the hill. Oh boy, that's a big hill. I better not derail myself. Whee! There's Percy up ahead. Whoa! Look. I don't want to go this way. I want to go that way. Let's go. Go. So Thomas chuffed along the track. Hey Thomas, I'm going to be there, Percy. Now for the secret passageway. This is so cold. Hey Thomas, hey Percy. Here's your first delivery. Thanks Thomas, I'll be back for some more. Next, we need to deliver him the dough. Let's go! And Thomas checked along the tracks. Then he came across Jeopardy. The Mormon truck. Oh, hey, Jeopardy. Hello, Thomas. Are you living in harmony with others that have met? I'm taking these ingredients to Percy so we can bake cookies. No. Nah, I already got a trick. Well, you brought them to Percy, so. Here's your next ingredient. Thanks, Thomas. Now for the last one. Here's your last ingredient. Bottles of baking soda. Be careful, Thomas. We don't want it to spill. Oh, how bad can it be? Time to go down. Yeah. Oh. But then Jeopardy accidentally switched the tracks. And Thomas was going right for that. Wait, Thomas, stop. The peace and harmony is going to be a problem. Thomas didn't understand what Jeopardy said. Until he said it. The tracks have been switched. She tried to stop, but he didn't hear him. Oh no! I'm going the wrong way! Uh-oh. Then he was going to the wrong way. Oh no! Shish kebabs! Thomas tried to stop, but he couldn't. Thomas tried to stop, but it wasn't working. His brakes had failed, and Jeopardy knew it was all his fault. He knew it was in the past, but he knows he got to derail. So he got in front of him, and Thomas saw him. Oh no! things started to happen. Jeopardy would switch to the pier line, while Thomas would switch to the one with the buffers. Thomas finally stopped, but Jeopardy did, and he came off the tracks and into the water. Jeopardy, you okay? I'm fine, but you need to bring those to Percy. Not until I save you! So Thomas coupled up to Jeopardy, and he pulled with all of his might and got him out of the water. Thanks. I accidentally switched the tracks because I thought that was the faster way to go. I know you were just trying to help, Jeopardy, but next time you should ask. I know. Now come on, want to deliver this? Really? Yep. I do need some help, though. Thomas and Jeopardy appeared at the tracks. Do you have it? We have the delivery. Because Jeopardy saved the day. Thanks, Thomas. It's time to make those cookies. Yay! Drop vinegar. No. Counting on Nia. Nia was a clever and splendid engine who always knew the way around Sodor. She knew her way to find around Sodor. Oh dear, that's the third buffer I've hit this week. I can't seem to find my way around Sodor. No, Nia. And she was great at solving problems. And she knew how to sort problems out. There we go. And that's it. Problem solved. But then Nia was sent on an important mission for Sir Topham Hatt. Oh, Nia, there you are. Now, I need you to pull Annie and Clarabelle while Thomas is taken ill. He is? How? No reason. This is also Topham Hatt's fault. So I need you to take the coaches. Okay. So Nia coupled up to Annie and Clarabelle and started her journey. And make sure to watch out for signs. Signs? Yes, they are very important. Okay. station. Do you know where you are? Soda? Yes, Soda. No, do you know how to get us there to the station? No, but I'm pretty sure that it can't be that hard. But I'm pretty sure it can't be that hard. Annie! Was that a stop sign? No, it wasn't. There goes another. I think we need to slow down. Leah, slow down. You're going too fast. We're going too fast. Oh no. Leah, watch out! You're going too fast! Oh no! Oh, I've derailed off the tracks. Oh. Hang on, Nia. I'll get you back on track, Lady said. There you go, Nia. You're back on track again. Oh dear, Nia. Haven't you watched over the signs? Yes, Thomas. Then you should have looked at the signs. I know. Continue with your job. Sorry, sir. Thomas, I don't think she didn't mean to derail. I don't think she knows her numbers. Impossible. This is still Sir Thomas' fault. Then Nia was sad in despair. So she hid in the secret passageway. I'll just hide here. Nia, why did you hide here? Because because Thomas thinks I'm not very good at my numbers. Have you been in school? No. Well, so that's how you derail. You just didn't know where to go. I do know my numbers, like 1, 2, 3, and 4. But I don't know other numbers. And when I don't even know them, I just guess like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, banana, apple, Snoopy-Doo, Oaken melon, and 5. But I don't know my other numbers. We could teach you. You really would? It's the least we can do. Thank you. Now, the number 1 is Thomas's number. It's like a straight line. Like him over there? Zooming in. Yes, just like that. Now, the number 2 is Edward's number. Number 2? Yes. That means that he has a number 2. It's a curved line that goes straight down to the bottom. Oh, the number 3 is so. They taught her all the numbers, and Nia started to get noticed. Oh, now that I know what's doing. Well, I better pick up my passengers at number 8. That's the spirit, Nia. All aboard the number 18 orange engine. Hello, number 4 engine. Oh, then she must have forgot my name. Nope, she's just practicing. Hello, number 6 engine. I am the number 6. Thanks for noticing. Oh, Nia, what's my number? 6. What's my number? Number 5. What's my number? Number 5. This is a confusing railway. What's my number? What's my number? What's my number? Okay, that's it. Better go back to the basics. What are you doing? Wait, Nia, come on, let's be responsible about this. Ouch. Wait, does that mean is it my turn? Yep. Oh no! I gotta go reverse! Wait! Forward now! Never mind. Quick, let's scream out. Quick, let's go fancy a burger. Too late. Wow! Oh man, I'm soaking wet. Na 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 na. Ooh. No more numbers for me. No more numbers for me. Take a look. Spencer takes a swim. One day on the island of Sodor, Spencer had a long day of pulling his coaches. It's really tiring. It's really tiring to be such a great, splendid engine. It's really tiring to be such a splendid engine. It's really tiring to be such a splendid engine. Spencer was hoping for a nap. While Spencer was looking for a nice relaxing evening, he saw that lady was soaking wet. Lady, what? Don't say a word. I'm not in a happy mood right now. Don't ask a question. Now, Spencer, can you move out of the way? How dare you? Spencer, you can't live in there. So Spencer backed up. Look, you and I, we're Tommy track masters. That means we have old wheels. Well, what happened to you? You look like a train wreck. Well, I was off doing, well, it's a long story, but I was pulling some trucks, but they got a mind of their own. I applied my brakes, but then I was going so fast that I was going so fast that I came right off the track and into the water. Oh. So I'm looking forward to a good night's sleep. Okay, I'm going back to bed. I never get into any trouble. I never derail right now. And Spencer went to sleep. Then Spencer was needed for an important assignment. Toot toot. Yes, sir. Ah, Spencer, there you are. Now I need you to pull some very special passenger coaches, and I need you to take some stuff. Okay. 2 random dogs. Random dogs. Yes. And pick up passengers on the way. Yes, sir. Spencer was worried that something might happen to him. I don't want to derail, just like Lee said. Ooh. Spencer, keep a move on. Oh, right. I'm sorry, sir. Gotta go. Spencer, your coaches. Oh, I'm sorry. Gotta put the coaches and go. Wait. But first, you need to take me. Can we go a bit faster, Spencer? Sure. Yes, sir.